Hi everyone, so this is going to be model problem number 2. It is when I give you the equation of a circle, can you tell me the center and the radius? So if you look, I laid out this question for us already. Given the equation this, what is the center? What is the radius? So your center are these numbers, that's how you're going to get the center, and your radius comes from this 36. So remember the formula. This is radius squared. So you have to do radius squared equals 36. And then if you square root, you'll get rid of the squared. So r is then 6. Okay, so just make sure you're square rooting it to get the radius. If it's a number that's not a perfect square, like 14, then you would just leave it as square root 14. If it's a number that can be reduced, such as 32, 32 is 16 times 2, and the 16 would become 4. All right, so sometimes they'll say simplest radical form if it's not a perfect square. All right, I might throw one of those in there, I'm not sure. So if it is a perfect square, it's just 6. Then the -2 and the +1 get switched signs. So now it's a +2 and a -1. So that is your center, and your radius was 6. All right, so again, these are basic problems, just switching the signs. All right, so they do ask these on the Regents, even though we're not taking the Regents. You will need to know this stuff for calculus and for trigonometry next year. Okay, so just remember, you're going to switch the signs and square root this number to get the radius.